In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper. Okay, so first you need to write your address, and then you address your letter to the editor of the newspaper. Then you write the subject. If it is about unhygienic condition, then your subject will be unhygienic living conditions in Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi, as your address in 112 Lakshmi Nagar. Okay, so the first thing that you need to write is through the columns of Esteem Daily, I venture to voice my views about the unhygienic conditions, living conditions in Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi. And you are a local resident, I'm a local resident, you must say that. Is that clear? So, you just through that column, Esteem newspaper, what you would like to bring to the notice of the concerned authorities will be unhygienic living conditions. Am I right or not? Prevalent in our area, isn't it? Due to the ongoing strike of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi employees. Is that clear?
I'm a citizen.
Yeah, you are a resident.
Resident.
If you are a citizen of a country, that is a different issue altogether. But if you are living in an area or residing in a place, you are a resident. Is that clear? You are a local resident. Okay, the employees who collected garbage have been on strike for the last 2 weeks. Understood?
I'm a
If the
resident
people, if the employees are on strike, the people who collect garbage, understood, have been on strike for how many days? For the last 2 weeks, isn't it? Which has only resulted in an extensive pile of garbage being accumulated. What happened? You want me to switch off the fan? So why don't you? Tell me. Just give me order. You are shivering with cold. Oh my god. Chalo. Now I would like you to listen to that particular next line. The employees who collect the garbage have been on strike for the last 2 weeks, which has only resulted in an extensive pile of garbage. Understood? Being accumulated at the edge of the road. Understood? At the edge of the road means on the side of the
side
road.
of the road.
Very good.
Corner.
Very good. This has become a health hazard. What has become a health hazard? The pile of garbage on the by the
Edge
side
of
of
the
the
road.
road. At the edge of the road or on the side of the road. Okay. So this has become a health hazard to the people of the area. Hasn't it become a health hazard to the people of the area if the garbage gets accumulated or collected? There are already 12 cases of dengue and malaria. 12 cases. There are already 12 cases of dengue and malaria which have been reported. Isn't it? So what will you, out of which? Jar moddhe. Out of which? Bolo? One is a 7-year-old boy who is fighting for his life in the intensive care. Is that clear? Of AIMS Delhi. Alright, now you can say the sting of the garbage has made living. The sting of the garbage has made living in our area, our বলে দিতেই হবে কি in our area unbearable মানে সহ্য করতে পারছো না. The sting of the garbage made our living in our area unbearable. You cannot put up with this. Is that clear? Very good. Next, what are the next line do you think we can write?
Put up means unbearable.
সহ্য করা, bear, we can't bear. Put up with is a phrasal verb. বলো তারপর বলো. What can you write? So, what have I said here? The sting of the garbage has made living in the area unbearable. Our once beautiful locality, মানে বুঝতে পারছো once beautiful, এটা খুব ভালো ইংলিশ না? Our once beautiful locality কিসে পরিণত হয়েছে? Our once beautiful locality has now turned into বললে ভালো লাগে, has now turned into পরিণত হয়ে গেছে, পুরো changed into, বলো কিসে পরিণত, ডাম্পিং গ্রাউন্ডে পরিণত হয়েছে, কেউ তুলছে না তো,
ডাম্প করে যাচ্ছে।
ডাম্পিং গ্রাউন্ডে পরিণত হয়েছে, হ্যাজ টার্নড ইনটু এ ডাম্পিং গ্রাউন্ড। আর ডাম্পিং গ্রাউন্ডটা কোথা থেকে, ফ্রম হেল, আন্ডারস্টুড? তাহলে এবার চলো শেষ করে দাও চিঠিটাকে। আই দেয়ারফর রিকোয়েস্ট ইউ টু
পাবলিশ
কাইন্ডলি পাবলিশ মাই লেটার, কাইন্ডলি বলে বেশ ভালো লাগে তাই না, কাইন্ডলি পাবলিশ মাই লেটার in your steam newspaper to create strong public opinion against it. Is that clear? Have I been able to guide you properly? You are really a good girl.
কপিটা নিয়ে যেতে হবে স্কুলে।
কেন?
মাস্টার্স।
তুমি বুঝেছো? হ্যাভ ইউ আন্ডারস্টুড?
এটা গিয়ে আমি আবার লিখবো।
এটাকে আরও ইমপ্রুভ করে আরও সুন্দর বানিয়ে নিয়ে আসবে তুমি, আমি তাতে খুশি হব। আই উড লাইক ইউ টু সে দ্য লেটার অ্যাগেন। বলো। First, you need to write your address on top of the letter, and then you write address your letter to the editor of a newspaper, and then you need to write unhygienic living condition, unhygienic living conditions. Okay,
আনহাইজেনিক লিভিং কন্ডিশনস
বলো।
অফ লক্ষ্মীনারায়ণ।
ঠিক আছে, ভেরি গুড সাবজেক্ট। তারপর রেসপেক্টেড স্যার, through the columns of your steamed newspaper, I would like to venture to voice my views about the unhygienic living conditions of the people of Lakshmi Nagar. Okay, fine. Then
I'm a resident of that
I am a
area,
resident of that area. তারপর
and I want to inform you that there is a litter everywhere which is smelling, and
the entire area is littered with garbage. Our entire area is littered with
with
garbage.
and it also producing bad smell.
The stink of the garbage has made our living in our area unbearable. Then
আর এটা কি একটা ছিল
put up with তো ওটাই তো, unbearable মানে you cannot put up with this.
people are not able to put up with the bad condition of our society.
No bad condition, I must not say that. I just wanted you to understand the word unbearable means. The people are not able to put up with the stinging or sting of the garbage, a bad odor, bad smell of the garbage. Okay, next.
There is a lot of garbage at the edge of the road.
Yeah, garbage accumulated at the edge of the road has আরে একদিকে একত্রিত করা গার্বেজ, রাস্তার ধারে মানে কালেক্ট করা গার্বেজ কি করেছে,
ডাম্প করেছে।
এটা কি ডেঙ্গু আর ম্যালেরিয়া কিসের জন্য হয় তাহলে বলে দাও। ইউ আর গুড ইন ইংলিশ, ওয়াই ডু ইউ ফাইন্ড ইট ডিফিকাল্ট টু সে থিংস লাইক, আমি তোমাকে যেমন বললাম, আই টোল্ড ইউ দ্যাট people are now suffering from dengue and malaria, isn't it? And a little boy is in the intensive care of the AIIMS hospital, right? He is fighting for life. You know, anybody suffering from dengue must die, isn't it?
তাহলে ওটা কি হবে, has led to many diseases like malaria
Give
and
birth
dengue.
to led to many diseases, whatever you feel like. But I don't think that your writing skill is bad. I'm 100% sure you will get 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100. I'm sure. এরপরেও তোমাকে যদি, and your speaking English is good, come on, chalo. You can speak English well. Tell me.
Our once beautiful society has turned into
A dumping ground.
A dumping ground.
Our once beautiful Lakshmi Nagar, our once beautiful city. Understood? বলো, has turned into a dumping ground. আহারে, যদি ডাম্পিং গ্রাউন্ডেই পরিণত হয়, you need to write what? I therefore request you to bring back the art. কি বলবে বলো? I therefore request you to I therefore request you to publish my letter in your steam newspaper to create strong public opinion against it. আমার কথাটা হচ্ছে, what I want to bring it to the notice of the concerned authority, just to put an end to the problem that I'm facing, or the problem that has made my life hell, isn't it? Okay, with this I come to the end of this video. If you have liked my video, don't forget to give me a like. Bye.